Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco F7 Ultra. And for that we have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and we're having a screenshot. After you can see directly the preview and you can send it directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now in the preview, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very cool if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap here on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. The second way to have a screenshot is just to scroll down here right next to the camera. So that we're here at the control center, and a part of the control center is here the icon with the scissor in it. Just tap on it and we're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. Just swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you have the gallery. And yeah, here the photos, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your cameras. So this is why I recommend you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.